Welcome to Karplus Warehouse, San Fernando Valley's largest pre-owned dealership. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with stability control, remote start system, active grille shutters, Wi-Fi hotspot, traction control, cruise control, remote engine start, air filtration, tire pressure monitoring system, radio data system, and much more. Since 1997, family-owned Karplus Warehouse has been your home for the best pre-owned vehicles at the lowest prices on the market. We have a knowledgeable and friendly staff who provide our guests with the highest level of customer service. From our Karplus no-haggle pricing to our easy financing options, buying a car from Karplus is always a great experience. So come see us today at our Karplus Warehouse and let us help you drive home in a vehicle or truck that is just right for you.